All right, we got some killer rides on the lot this week. I'm going to be doing a full lot walk showing you all the new inventory and doing a quick recap on all the existing inventory. The prices on all the new rides will be listed around noon on Monday at maplemotors.com. Starting off the lot walk strong with some new inventory, a 1966 Pontiac GTO. Next up, some existing inventory, this 1969 Chevy Chevelle. It's got a 350 under the hood, connected to an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, performance upgrades, and more. You remember this one from last week, a 1968 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $27,900. It's got a 350 under the hood with an automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, with some performance and modern upgrades. Some more current inventory. You remember this one from last week, a 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $34,900. Features a big block 455 with an automatic transmission, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and a long list of upgrades. I know some of you are eyeing this one in the background. This is another new ride on the lot this week, a 1969 Chevy Chevelle. Next up, another one from last week, a 1959 Chevy Biscayne, asking $34,900 with a fuel-injected LS V8 conversion, automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, and lowered suspension. More existing inventory, a 1991 Pontiac Trans Am convertible, asking $15,900. You're not going to see too many of these on the road. This is one of only 637 Trans Am convertibles built in 1991. Next up, you've seen this one before. It's a 1971 Chevy Corvette convertible, asking $27,900. 350 under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, bucket seats. I know a lot of you saw this one lingering in the background, and if you didn't, it might be time for a new prescription. This is some new inventory, a 1972 Dodge Challenger. This next one's no stranger to the lot. It's a 1967 Chevy Camaro convertible, priced at $34,900 with a 283, automatic transmission, chrome accessories, dual exhaust with Flowmasters, bucket seats, and a few more modern upgrades. Next up, another new ride on the lot. Once again, a 1967 Chevy Camaro. We got several new rides in a row here. This next one is a 1951 Ford Custom two-door. Next up, another new ride. This one's hard to miss, a 1951 Chevy two-door hardtop. Finishing off this row with some current inventory, a 1955 Chevy 210 two-door hardtop, priced at $37,900. It's got a 350, automatic transmission, air conditioning, performance upgrades, and a few other modern upgrades. Next up, you've seen this one before. It's a 1985 Chevy K10, long wheelbase 4x4, priced at $14,900. Next up, another new ride, 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. And we're finishing up this row with a 69 Plymouth Roadrunner, asking $39,900 with a matching numbers 383, automatic transmission, power steering, air conditioning, performance upgrades, and more. This coming week, I'm going to be posting deep dive videos of all the new inventory. You're going to see it in much more detail, so be sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite this week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.